Hey, welcome to Jay's Helpful Videos. Today I'm going to show you how to install some LED lighting in a closet. All of this I purchased on Amazon. The lighting strip that came in a roll, the power supply, and a proximity switch so that this way when the door opens the light comes on automatically. You can see this strip, if you can see it as I zoom in, has these two red lines on it. This could be cut every 3 LEDs or so. It could be cut to whatever length that you need. It could also be attached to other strips with some connectors that came in the bag. So I'm going to show you how to install it. Hopefully you enjoy it, and make sure you like it and subscribe it. I'll have some other helpful videos as we go along. Take care. One of the first things you need to do to make sure that the adhesive tape to the LED lighting sticks properly is to clean the surface with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. That'll help make sure that the surface is clean and that the tape will stick properly. I'm going to remove the double face tape from the back, and I'm going to just start attaching this along the edge. Like I said, we just clean the edge with a little bit of alcohol and continue to pull that off. I'm just going to run this edge right along the top and then down the whole edge. Just keep pulling it off. Make this turn. And I'm going to just come right along this edge and install it as far down as I want it, which is going to be all the way down to the ground. See how simple it is to just attach? And this way it'll give me a full strip of LEDs right down the edge. Hopefully it will light up the closet right where I need it. And like I said earlier in the video, this can be cut to a certain length. I'm going to probably cut it right about here just so it's a little easier to work with. Like I said, right in between here, about every 3 LEDs or so, there's a double piece indicator. You just cut it. I'm going to go ahead and just pull the rest of that double face tape off to make it a little easier. I'm going to just continue to install it all the way down the edge. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that proximity switch, I'm going to put that right at the top of the closet here. Use a little double face tape to attach it, and then I'll run the wires to the power supply. First thing, I could connect this to here. That's to the lights. And then I'm going to connect that to the power supply. Hold on. I just removed the back and Velcro tape. I'm going to put that on the back here. Push it down. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the other back. I'm going to go ahead and attach that up top here in order to connect to the wires. So that'll connect right here from the power supply. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect the power from here up to the outlet, and then later on I'll go ahead and clean up the wires. Okay, you can see I neatened up the wires with a couple of wire ties up top, and installation took probably less than 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. The installation of the LED lighting and the switch are complete. You can see there's sufficient light in the closet, and I truly recommend this product. Easy to install, only took a little time to put in. You'll also notice when I open and close the door, the lights will go out, and as soon as I open the door back up, they come back on. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please take time to like it, subscribe. I'll have some other helpful videos in the future. And at the end of this video, I'll show you all the products that I purchased in order to make this project a success. Thanks. Bye.